Hey my beautiful people, how are you guys doing? Into this video, as you can see, I am making chuck rice and gravy. This is one of the best chuck rice and gravy I have made so far. I'm excited. I hope you are too. Let's get started right now. First, I will start making the rice. The first thing I am doing is steaming the okra and spinach. You can add a little salt or seasoned salt. I like using okra and spinach, but sometimes I use palava sauce. I will let this steam till they are soft. Next, I will drain the water, blend the okra and spinach, and add it to the rice. I have this step-by-step recipe in my cookbook, 20 Best Liberian Recipes. You can find it on Amazon. Next, I will start working on the gravy. Feel free to use any kind of meat you have. I am adding some oil to a pot to start frying the meat. First, I am frying the fish. Next, I will fry the chicken and beef. I am going to fry the shrimp, but not for long. After mixing in the seasoning and tomato paste, I will let this cook for 5 to 8 minutes. After 5 to 8 minutes, I will add some water. This chuck rice and gravy was so delicious. It was finger licking good. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.